thought-provoking quiz and insightful talks to fascinating quantum exhibition, today's event is all about taking physics out of the textbook and into the motion. From live demonstrations to innovative science models, students are turning hard complexes into hands-on reality.
I think it was a wonderful experience today to interact with the participants of this particular program, which was dedicated to the celebration of 100 years of quantum mechanics. I was enthused by attentive participation of the students and the way they responded to the questions. I could see the enthusiasm in the faculty of the Chandigarh University to host such events. This is something which is desirable today and is the need of the hour.
This is how curiosity turns into creation. At Chandigarh University, we just don't study physics, we bring it to life.